Bobcat compact excavators have more hydraulic horsepower to backfill faster. We went head-to-head against 3 other brands to simulate the motions of a backfilling task, and ours proved to be the quickest. The Caterpillar was the slowest in the group. It took over 25% longer to complete the test. Our drive system puts more power to the drive, especially when maneuvering, so you can get the job done faster. This test is designed to show the drive performance during simulated backfill motions and demonstrate each machine's ability to reposition quickly and put power to the tracks. Each compact excavator will complete 5 passes. The blade must touch the front cone on each pass and cross the line on the backside. Our E35 with 25 horsepower completed the task in 42 seconds. The next fastest was Deere with 44 seconds. The Kubota took 45 seconds. Caterpillar really struggled with this test. It had a hard time powering through the change in positions. It took 53 seconds to complete the test. When your compact excavator transfers more horsepower to the tracks, you can backfill faster and finish that job quicker.